Today, let's make some soft lavender with pipe cleaners. Take out 12 light purple pipe cleaners and set aside 2 of them for later. Now let's work with the remaining 10 pipe cleaners. Fold one of them in half as a guide, then cut all the pipe cleaners into half. After that, measure 5 centimeters and cut them into small pieces. In total, we'll have 60 pieces of 5 centimeter pipe cleaners. Next, fold each small piece in half. Try not to pinch the fold too sharply. Keeping it slightly rounded will make the lavender buds look much more natural and realistic. Continue until all the pieces are folded. Now take out a floral stem wire and add a small amount of hot glue to the top. Take one pipe cleaner and begin wrapping it around the stem. If one piece isn't enough, add another one. For the second piece, only wrap about 1/3 of it and leave the remaining part attached without cutting it off. Now we can start attaching the lavender buds. Add some hot glue to the top of the stem and begin gluing the buds on one by one. For the very top layer, attach 3 buds first. Then gently open the center a little and glue one more bud in the middle. Starting from the second layer onward, each layer we'll use for buds. After attaching each bud, gently press and hold it to make sure the glue is fully secured before adding the next one. Also remember to place each new bud in the gaps between the previous layer to create a fuller and more natural lavender shape. Once all the buds are attached, use the remaining pipe cleaner wrapped around the stem earlier to neatly cover and finish the bottom part of the lavender buds. Then trim away any excess pipe cleaner. Next, gently bend and open each lavender bud outward a little to create a more natural blooming shape. Once the shape looks good, we can start adding color. This time I'm using eyeshadow. Simply choose a shade slightly darker than the pipe cleaner color. Start brushing color from the bottom of the lavender and slowly blend it upward onto each bud. This will add more depth and make the lavender look softer and more realistic. Now let's make the leaves. Cut one green pipe cleaner in half. Each leaf will use half a pipe cleaner. Fold it in half, twist the bottom twice to secure it, and shape it into a natural leaf form. Trim the tip slightly pointed to make it look more realistic. We'll make a total of 2 leaves. Finally, wrap the stem using floral tape. Before using the tape, gently stretch it a little to activate the stickiness. After wrapping about 3 centimeters down the stem, attach the leaves. Then continue wrapping all the way down until the entire stem is covered. Adjust the leaves slightly, and now, our lavender is complete. Thank you so much for spending this quiet crafting time with me. I'll see you again in my next video.